So guys, let's discuss what is a perceptron and the working principle of perceptron. So perceptron is a building block of any neural network. And to understand perceptron, let us first take an example. Suppose you want to classify fruits, apples or oranges. Based on two parameters, you want two parameters to be the basis of classifying. That is sweetness and roundness. That is, you want to classify the whether the fruit is apple or not, or oranges or not, based on two parameters, that is sweetness and roundness. So what is the step one? Step one is initialization. You are initializing the weights and biases. You are considering W sweetness and W roundness. You are giving more weight to sweetness and less weight to roundness, 0.6 to sweetness and 0.4 to roundness, and then biased minus 0.45. That you are taking any arbitrary value because you can the algorithm will change automatically due to gradient descent. So let us go to step 2, which is forward pass. Suppose I have training examples with features, so sweetness equal to 0.7 and roundness equal to 0.6, and the target output is 1, an apple. So basically the table is given, sweetness equal to 0.7 and roundness equal to 0.6, and the target output is 1. So what is the weighted sum? Weighted sum is basically the summation of sweetness with the weight, and the summation of plus the product of roundness with the weight, and the summation with yeah, addition. You basically add with respect to, it's basically sigma. So after you calculate, you get the value of 0.4. So what is the predicted output? Predicted output equal to activation function weighted the sum. So this 0.4 went inside this function, and you get 1 because 0.14 is greater than equal to 0. So what you use activation function here as a sine function. You use sine function as the activation function. So see the diagram. You take B W2 W1, two weights and one bias, and you send it to sigma. Sigma, what is sigma? Sigma is basically Z. Z, what is it? Z is basically the weighted sum. So you apply the formula, sine into plus minus b. So you basically apply W1 x1 plus W2 x2 minus plus b. So basically you apply the sigma wi xi. You basically apply this, and after that you get the sine. After that you get the value of z. Z is the weighted sum, and you send z to a sine function. What is the sine function here? If z greater than equal to 0, the output is 1. Else output is minus 1. So it's basically 1 or minus 1, the output. So according to it, the output will be given. So here, since 0.14 is greater than equal to 0, so the output will be 1. Thank you.